Valerie Mihalek recognizes the problems and has in past years as a citizen acted to correct the problems when our congressman didn't. When she worked with Michael Fitzpatrick, she was there when floods destroyed most of Yardley Borough. As a citizen working for our elected officials, as a council member or an elected official in the borough, she was there on the ground working with our residents to help take care of them and their families. Valerie's work with the Garden of Reflection shows what one woman's impact can have on thousands. As a program director there, she worked towards building our community and family dynamic, helping to host not only remembrance services for those affected by 9/11, but for those in the Sandy Hook shootings, and most recently the tragedy that struck our own county when 4 young men in Salisbury Township were killed. She held an event there for a night of healing. Again, as a citizen, Valerie has supported programs that benefit veterans like Shamrock Reigns and Salute to Service. Valerie pushed the Right to Try bill in Washington to help our terminally ill neighbors and friends and family. But again, over 60 co-sponsors on a bill that would allow people to choose medications that maybe were not yet approved to see if they could impact and save a life. She's proving you don't need to be a veteran to do right by our veterans. Valerie helped to ensure that none of us were left behind. As a veteran, that's our creed. Nobody gets left behind. You should have faith that our congressman advocates for us in Washington. I believe in calling it like it is. It's time for a change in our district and our community. It's time to make our veterans a top priority once again. She is a mother first, an educator, an advocate who took charge of our health care and pushed our elected leaders to take action. With our support, the next Congresswoman of the 8th Congressional District in Pennsylvania, it's my pleasure to introduce Valerie Mihalek.
The reality is our elected officials, whether they're at the presidential level, at the Senate level, at the congressional level, at the state level, or at the local level, they work for you.